welcome back to my channel Lifestyle with Fozia Wahid. Friend, this is my online shopping from Temu Dubai. So I just received the parcel and I am sharing each and everything with you one by one. So if I talk about the quality is super cute and in reasonable price. And if I talk about the packaging is really good. They have packed twice in the bags, whether it is a jewelry or a cosmetic, or whether it is a scrunchies or everything. I really liked the quality. I have ordered stainless steel jewelry also, the packets of scrunchies also. This is a eyebrow setting gel. This is also good in condition and the quality is super cute. This is the solid perfume. I really like the tiny little cute perfume. This is a eyeliner black pencil. I use this every day. And this is a brown lip liner pencil. This is a fragrance oil. It has instructions inside the packet and a stopper and a bottle also. This is again the jasmine perfume oil. I was making something DIY from these fragrance oil and the essential oil. That's why I ordered this. Otherwise it is in no use in my activities. This is the mini 3-portion concealer, and that's all you can see. So friends, if you want to know the price of every single thing or any accessory, so you can ask me in comment section, and also let me know that which kind of videos you want to see, or if you like my videos, let me know also. Keep watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Lifestyle with Fozia Wahid. Thanks for watching.